Hi, everybody. You're very welcome along to our Keep It Short, Sweet and Simple series. Now, a gorgeous day out there, just coming up to Easter. Oh, my goodness me. So, look, what I'm focusing on today, very briefly, are your top 3 tips before you present your property to the market for sale. Perfect time for selling. Number one, I would say declutter as much as you can so you have lovely, clear surfaces. The buyer or viewers are coming in and they're walking through, they're not obstructed in any way. So declutter as much as you can, depersonalise, as they say, but not to the extent where there's nothing in the property because it's going to look lifeless. Number two, I would say a fresh coat of paint will give the property such a lift. Don't worry about the woodwork, but even just freshening up the walls will give the whole, add life, infuse life into the property. And number three, your gardens, both front and back. First impressions, your beautifully mowed lawn, bushes cut back, nice bit of colour, lovely front door, and the rear garden exactly the same. The gardens are so important. So they're your top three. The top three I would focus on. There's lots more as well, but they're your top three if you're time poor and you want to present your property to the market for sale. Perfect time. Thanks for listening.